Now we're ready to go to paper space or the layout sheet to see how we're gonna PDF this drawing. Now, of course, on a more professional level environment, like, you will need to add a text here called a tag specifying at what drawing scale your drawing is. We said that our drawing is at 1/4, so you have to add a text here saying scale 1/4 equals an inch, and so on. But that's something minor that you can go over and that you can do using the same text. So what I'm gonna do is show you the next concept, which is how to create a PDF, an electronic PDF of your drawing. So let's do a shortcut Control P to access the plot dialog box. So here what you have to do is, since we're gonna create a PDF, I'm gonna pick AutoCAD PDF, or you could also pick TWG to PDF. Size of the paper is fine, 24 by 36. Extend is fine. Center always. Scale 1:1 always, so you can print or PDF to the right scale. Scale line weights, have that checked always. Here on the plot style, they are using this plot style is based on the template that we picked, the Architectural Imperial, remember? So it looks like they have only this. We're gonna need a monochrome CTV that is not here, because look what happened if I do a preview of this. It's gonna print like that in color. We don't want that. And this is basically because, again, we picked an Imperial Architectural template that had the settings like that, so I'm gonna cancel that. And to fix this, I'm gonna use a command called convert PS styles, and it says this command converts a named plot style drawing to use color dependent plot styles. That's what we want. We want our layers to control the line weights. So I'll click OK, and then let's try to use the Control P again. And for this, let's go here, and as you can see, it gives us more options now. What we need to pick is the monochrome CTV, because we want to show or make a PDF black and white, and the settings are fine. Monochrome, let's do a preview, and as you can see, your elevation is looking beautifully. Again, the line weights are, lighter. The hatch, the thickness of the glass are showing lighter too, and then this one is showing darker because this building is in front. The text consistency, again, same size based on dim scale, letters also. And if this is perfect for you, you can simply right click on it and choose plot, and you can save it. I'm just gonna save it here. You can rename it as you wish and click save. Once you do that, your elevation will look like so. Nice and neat. If you want weekly tutorials to keep learning AutoCAD on your own, subscribe now and watch this video over here to show you how you can get an AutoCAD certification like this.